Meanwhile, Blue Apron IPO kind of underwhelming today. Now, a lot of people say maybe this has to do with Amazon and with the fact that it's kind of moving into delivery with the hookup, with Whole Foods. Who knows? Nicole Petalides into all things that are healthy and right with things called food pyramids and the like. Nicole, what's going on here?
Well, the good news is that Blue Apron opened and held that bottom end of the already lowered range. The original range was $15 to $17. It was lowered to $10 to $11 after the Amazon Whole Foods deal, and you can see that it opened exactly at $10. In fact, it went as high as $11, a 10% gain. This on a day, Neil, where we are seeing a sell-off in the markets. The Dow's down 160 points. The Nasdaq has turned negative for the month. But Blue Apron is holding its own. Taking a look also at the valuation. By the way, it was really exciting outside. There were a slew of people. They brought hundreds of guests. The CEO, Matt Salzberg, spoke with me. He was excited about the IPO and the prospects for the company, and he was happy that he could bring everybody along. Also, the IPO price brought it in at a valuation of about $1.9 billion. That's certainly well below the roadshow in March, $3.2 billion, and a couple of years ago where they did a fundraising event, and it was valued at $2 billion. So it was lower than prior estimates. However, it's gaining some traction. That being said, there's competition in the meal kit business. They deliver you. You're supposed to enjoy your cooking. This is not delivery. This is not Grubhub. This is, hey, here are your elements to have fun with your friends, your family, or by yourself and make a great meal. Here's some of the competitors: Sunbasket, Plated, Green Chef, Purple Carrot, and also HelloFresh. And the wild card remains the Amazon Whole Foods deal. And with that, don't forget, it's an $800 billion grocery market. And I think it really puts pressure across the board in the sector. Back to you.
So, Nicole, let me understand. The Blue Apron, they give you the ingredients in a box to make a meal, right? And is a box for one person, two people, or I guess it depends on what you order?
I don't really think they're hot on the 1% thing. I think that they're doing more for two people. There have been talk about ideas for them, whether they could do the birthday meal, the dinner for six meal, ways to market themselves. But they spent a slew of cash on marketing, and that's why the company had a net loss last year, because they had marketing costs that were up over 180%. So they're certainly marketing, but I will leave you with this thought, that while this seems sort of temperamental and a cautious trade, which it is, I will say that the traders are saying that we've seen Unilever and Nestle recently buying some of these food delivery type companies. So it's interesting to see that's not, out of favor.
All right. Thank you, Nicole, very, very much.